Hello, my name is Ron Harding of Ron's Electronic Sales, and I sell the Headcase Audio QC2 QC15 replacement headband cushion and ear cushions. And sometimes customers reach out and they ask me to do the work for them, to install these products on their headphones for them. So this customer sent me his headphones, and as you can see, they are pretty disgusting. The original Bose headband cushion has done a complete meltdown, and it's just flaking off. If this customer uses these headphones, then particles of black are just going all over them. But anyway, these are the original ear cushions and the original headband cushion. So what I'm going to do this this repair job for him, and I'm going to do an after video. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back with a finished job. And I cleaned up the headphones pretty good. I use Crud Cutter. It does good to get the gooky stuff off. There you have it. I think it looks a lot better than what it did before I got it. So let's go on back to the customer. Bye.